Hey guys, back again because guess what came in today? Kawaii Box. This is another one of those subscription boxes based off of anime and cutesy items. This one claims to be more geared towards stationary, everyday use items. And it's a little bit of a cheaper box. I was getting Yume Twins, which was almost $40 US. Kawaii Box in US comes out to $19.90 a month if you do just the monthly subscription. They obviously offer deals if you pay for 3 or 6 or 12 months at one time. But I wanted to give it a try and see. I do a lot of pen pal writing and sharing and wanted to see if I could get some cute stationery things relatively inexpensive to use for those purposes. So I decided to try the Kawaii Box since it's less than 20 bucks to see what's going on. It's actually a really adorable box. From my understanding, this is actually their upgraded version of the box. But I love all the cutesy little things that are on it. But we'll go ahead and get this open. I went ahead and cut the tape already before the video started. Alright, so the inside is adorable. When I open it, it looks like this. It's got like little instructions, and I'm liking the little castle and houses up here. It's just really cute and adorable. When you first open it, right on top is their brochure that shows you what you're getting this month as well as whatever promotions are going on. I'm not exactly sure how new Kawaii Box is. I guess I should have researched that first, but anyway. It says July 2018 number 2 on the top. And this month's theme was called Kawaii Summer. So let's take a look. So you look in here and it gives you a breakdown of everything that's in here. Along with little cartoony pictures of them, which is kind of cool. And then here's the back cover. It's just a promotional thing trying to get you to share your things and hashtag them, stuff like that. So without the brochure on top, it came looking like this. Whoops. Tough slipping out with the tissue paper. It's really cute. It even says Kawaii Box on the tissue paper, which is kind of neat that they have the personalizedness of them. So let's take a look at what's in here. Let's open this up so I know what I'm doing. Okay. First up is this little item. You can see the cute little cat ears. This one's kind of folded over a little bit. And it's got the headband here. This is a Nico Ear Soft headband. Stay cute like a cat and keep your hair organized while applying makeup or washing your face. So it's basically one of those like makeup headbands, or any kind of facial headband. You can use it for whatever, but it pulls your hair back, keeps it out of your face while you're doing everything on your face. And then the second little thing in here is this little guy. It looks like he's a keychain. He's a plush, and I think he's made out of a vinyl. He's a little thick. He's not fluffy at all. So I'm definitely thinking vinyl. It says Kawaii Hamster Soft Bag Charm. Kawaii-fy your style and hang this super cute and soft hamster to your bag or backpack. So let's open him up real quick. I'm curious. Yep, he's definitely a vinyl, so he's not technically a plush. He doesn't have any fur on the outside, but he's a nice sturdy vinyl, which can be nice. I know that the plushes are cute and adorable and soft and squishy, but when you're using them in everyday life, sometimes they get dirty really easy, and the vinyl can be nice because usually you can wipe it clean pretty quickly. We'll just leave that there. So that's nice. Then next up is this guy. He's a little sushi squishy. Let's see what it says. It says Salmon Sushi Boy Squishy. Sushi squishy, what a perfect combo to squeeze your stress away. It even smells cute. So that's neat. It's not, mine's not open. I'm not planning to open it just yet. But apparently it has a scent, which is kind of strange considering it's salmon sushi. So it makes me a little afraid what it smells like. But he's absolutely adorable, and he is in fact squishy, which is cool. Then this box also comes with candy. I was looking at some of the past boxes, and it looks like that it actually usually comes with some little anime type themed candy pieces, which is kind of neat because the other boxes is usually one or the other, and this one kind of does both, which is fun because then you can get a little bit of everything. So let's see. Then it came with this. They're marshmallows. It's kind of hard to tell, but they're little pink marshmallows. And it says, Hello Kitty Strawberry Marshmallows. Be the cutest marshmallow roaster on this summer's camping adventures. Now, let's be real. These guys are a little small to roast with. I don't think that's going to happen. For the record. And then this is adorable. So I spotted this while I was pulling out the other stuff, and it's cute. So it looks like a plastic straw, right? According to the brochure, it's actually an adorable little pen. And it has this little plastic charm on here that you can like slide on and off if you didn't want the donut on your straw pen. So it says Kawaii Drinking Straw Pen. It's summertime. This super cute drinking straw pen is a perfect tool for documenting all of your summer adventures. And it's got the little donut. Which is kind of cute. I love the color. That's kind of one of my big colors right now. I actually have it on underneath the lace of my shirt, which is kind of funny. And then this is a memo pad. So here's the image on the back. It's one of those folding ones. I've gotten them before in Rilakuma and some other types. But this one is a Moomin memo pad set. Moomin trolls, those lovely creatures loved by many. Japanese will help you stay organized. So it's just a little memo pad. They're basically sticky notes. To be honest with you, I've never seen a set that actually has good sticky part on the sticky notes, but they're still handy to have around and use. And it looks like this is another candy item. This one's actually anime based. It's from Precure. And it's Precure Grape Gummies. Pretty Cure or Precure is a super popular Japanese magical girl anime series, and these yummy gummies are shaped like its characters. So how cute is that? Here's the back of its package. So inside are these two little gummies that you get to eat. How fun. I love seeing anime themes like that, especially in candy and in stationery and everyday use stuff, because I collect a lot of the figures and things, and they just sit in a cabinet like this one behind me, and then you're like, well, what do I do with it? So I love being able to get stuff that's more of an everyday thing. So that's kind of cool. And then there's this giant thing sitting in here that looks kind of neat. Let's see, where's the description? There it is. It's the Panda Bento Rice Mold. Create cute panda-shaped rice balls to complement your bento lunchbox. You can cut the ears, face, and legs with the nori cutter. So it comes here with a little mat, and then this that you sit on top of your nori, and then you would take your knife and cut out your nori cutters. And then you have your mold that makes your panda bear shape, and then turns it into these adorable little rice balls. How cute is that? We don't do a lot of rice ball or bento making here, but this is adorable and I love it. Then there's this. Now, it's kind of weird. It's like a flimsy silicone, but it says it's the Cute Bunny Drink Coaster. Protect your table from those ugly water ring marks with the Silicone Bunny Coaster. And I got a blue one, so it's really cute. It's kind of neat. I don't see a lot of coaster type things, and this one's adorable because it's shaped. It looks like it'll fit a general size can, or the bottom of a normal size bottle. None of that super size stuff that we get around here. Oh, and last thing I got in here are these little guys, which is cool. Out of all of it, I wanted stationery stuff, and technically only 3 items are stationery. These are included. They're stickers. They're Sumiko Gurashi Deco stickers. Sumiko Gurashi translates literally to living in a corner, and the characters are shy, just like many Japanese people, which is kind of neat. I got the little kitty cat one, and it's like watering a little aloe plant, which is cute and adorable, and I'll definitely be using those. So for my very first Kawaii box, I was hoping for more stationery, I'll be quite honest with you. I like to see the keychains and stuff. They're cute, they're adorable. I usually give them out as gifts because if they're not an anime-based thing that I enjoy, I don't tend to keep them. But I do like to give that stuff away as presents. I have a lot of friends that like the cutesy little keychain stuff, which is cool. Didn't really need the headbands, although it is adorable, and I think it would make a cute Lolita item as well if you wore it correctly. I think it would be adorable for those cosplay type purposes. Sorry, I got notifications. The coaster's adorable, and I'll have to find somewhere to use it. I don't really have a lot of places for them because I actually already have sets everywhere. I make them myself. The candy's cool. I can't eat any of it due to my own diet problems, but it is adorable, and I definitely will be passing that stuff on. And the bear mold is cute. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I'm actually thinking of using it for a different purpose than rice molds, but it will definitely get used somehow. So for a box that claims to do kawaii everyday use stationery based items, this month I wasn't entirely impressed. Don't get me wrong, the stuff's adorable and I love it, but for what it claims to be, I wasn't entirely impressed. And to top it off, the theme is kawaii summer, which you would think you'd get like lots of bright things. I expected stuff like watermelons and stuff like that. Now the drinking straw, okay, now that was creative. I did enjoy the drinking straw pen, and it's even bendy a little. Like, it doesn't bend all the way like a normal straw, but it is bendy, which is kind of cool. But I didn't see summer in everything else. The panda molds are kind of cute. I could see that being a summer thing. You put it in your picnic bentos, stuff like that. But the two keychains, not very summery. The coaster I get, because it's, it's summertime, drinks get hot and sweaty, and I suppose the headband could go along that lines too if you used it for other purposes than just getting ready for the morning. But this others, like, the two keychains, the Memo Pad, I just didn't understand. To me, they weren't very summery. I didn't feel like it was very on theme, but they were adorable, so I can't really complain on that end. I do enjoy having them. They're cute to look at. They're fun to play with. So I will admit to that. As for if I'm going to continue subscribing, my personal opinion, I only have the one box, and I'm not exactly sure how new the company is. So I believe that I will let it sit for another month or two. We'll see how next month goes. For less than $20, and I got quite a few things. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 9 things for $20, which isn't too bad, actually. That's actually a lot better. Yume Twins, you get a lot of more licensed material, so you usually only get 5 to 6 things because it's licensed and bigger items. But I do enjoy all of the little stuff. So I'm gonna give June a try. I should be getting that next month sometime, and see what happens. So definitely keep checking in, and I will let you know as soon as June's box comes in, guys. Until next time.